We've been traveling and walking for the last 2.5 hours. I think we're lost. Look at these.
These bricks.
We had to swim.
Monica and Stacy had to swim through the streams, trying to get us across this.
My ass muscles. Oh, good God.
Oh Lord, it's been a good adventure. As you know, I always do videos, so this is the video diary, David Rendon. And I wish I can turn this. Well, I can. Look at the view.
Oh no, we're falling.
Oh my God. We're north, 62 degrees.
Fuck this. Sorry.
Stacy said, "Bunk this."
She said it's funk. Uptown, funky what?
The only thing I can think of right now is that I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
We've been out in the wilderness for almost 2.5 hours, like I said, and I've lost 10% body fat.
I need to lose 10 more pounds.
Oh, Lord. Hello.
Hey,
Hello. Go Yang.
Hi, J-Lo. Yep.
No.
Not too bad.
15 minutes.
So I did say that we were by ourselves, but don't mind those people.
They were natives.
They were natives. Don't mind them. They weren't
cannibals.
They weren't cannibals. You know, I don't know. Anyway, we're walking, and just wanted to say hello, Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Love you guys. Bye.